Hi guys, in today's video, I will be discussing the top 5 best beginner DSLR cameras on the market. If you're new to photography or looking to upgrade from your smartphone, this video is for you. I will be highlighting some of the top options that offer great features, ease of use, and excellent image quality. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check the link in the description below. So, let's dive in. Number 1. Canon EOS Rebel T7i. The T7i is on the high end for entry-level cameras, but it is still one of the best DSLRs for beginners and offers great value. It features a redesigned guided menu that helps get novice users up to speed with various camera settings, with an easy-to-navigate touch-based interface and plenty of on-screen images that illustrate what different settings do. The camera is now 2 years old, which means an update may be on the horizon. But for now, it's still one of the best DSLRs for beginners. But once you familiarize yourself with the Rebel T7i, it reveals a very powerful camera under the hood. The 45-point viewfinder autofocus system is both fast and accurate, even when photographing fast-moving subjects. It can also shoot at up to 6 frames per second, so if you have kids or pets that don't like to sit still, you'll have no problem keeping up with them. The 24-megapixel APS-C sensor took great pictures in a variety of lighting conditions and is more resolution than most people need. Number 2. Canon EOS SL3. The Canon EOS Rebel SL3 is a step up from Canon's base model, the Rebel T7 in several ways, while it's also even more compact. Billed as Canon's lightest DSLR, it's designed to be as portable as possible, but we should note that the Nikon D3500 is even a few ounces lighter. The SL3 isn't a bottom-of-the-line model, however, and in some ways even outperforms the higher-end Rebel T7i. The SL3 sports the same 24-megapixel APS-C sensor as the T7i, but an even newer Digic 8 image processor. While it's still down on still shooting performance from the T7i, this gives it a big advantage over the cheaper T7, which is still using the many-year-old Digic 4 processor. The SL3 can shoot at 5 fps speed instead of the T7's paltry 3 fps and boasts a much wider ISO range of 100 to 25,600. More impressive, battery life is rated at 1,600 shots per charge when using the optical viewfinder, far above competing mirrorless models. The one advantage the Digic 8 gives the SL3 over the T7i is 4 Kelvin video. However, unlike 1080p, 4 Kelvin is recorded from a cropped area of the sensor and dual pixel autofocus does not work in 4 Kelvin mode. This means that shooting video in 1080p will offer a much more user-friendly experience. But 4 Kelvin does produce a noticeable increase in detail if you don't mind the crop or slow autofocus. Number 3. Canon EOS Rebel SL2. The Canon EOS Rebel SL2 is a compact DSLR that shares the same 24MP dual-pixel CMOS sensor and Digic 7 processor as many other 2017 Canon cameras. The SL2 is for those who want the styling and optical viewfinder of a DSLR in a body that's not a burden to carry around, at least until you put on a larger lens. Being a small camera, it shouldn't come as a huge surprise that the SL2 is a bit short on buttons and dials. They're all well placed, though, and the grip is quite comfortable for those with larger hands. The camera's touchscreen LCD can flip to the side and rotate 270 degrees. And Canon has created an easy-to-use feature assistant for those just getting started with a more advanced camera. Sharing photos is easy thanks to the combination of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Number 4. Olympus OMD EM10-3. The Olympus OMD EM10-3 is a 16MP micro 4/3 mirrorless camera specifically designed for novice shooters looking to develop their photography skills. It features in-body image stabilization, which can be used while shooting 4 Kelvin video. For its class, the EM10-3 offers an unusual level of direct control with twin control dials, a couple of customizable buttons, and one of the better touchscreen implementations. This latest model features a simplified, stripped-down menu system and an advanced photography mode to give easier access to some of the camera's cleverer features. Number 5. Canon EOS Rebel T7. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 divided by 2000D is an entry-level DSLR targeted toward first-time ILC users and smartphone upgraders. It's a slight update to the T6, upgrading to a 24MP sensor, but otherwise contains the same internals and hardware specs as the T6. It offers Wi-Fi with NFC for easier photo sharing when you're out and about. Photographers using an ILC for the first time will do just fine in intelligent auto mode, but unfortunately, Canon's beginner-friendly feature assistant isn't included for that. You'll need to look to the pricier SL2 or T7i. Those looking to learn and take control of camera settings will be able to take advantage of a rear command dial for quick access to shooting parameters, but advanced users may start to find the minimal physical controls limiting. The rear screen doesn't tilt or offer touch control as some in this class do. So there you have it, our top 5 recommendations for the best beginner DSLR cameras. Whether you choose the Canon EOS Rebel T7i, Canon EOS SL3, Canon EOS Rebel SL2, Olympus OM-DEM10 III, or Canon EOS Rebel T7, you can't go wrong with any of these options. Each camera offers excellent features, ease of use, and great image quality, making them perfect for beginners. Remember, practice makes perfect, so get out there and start capturing amazing moments. Check the links in the description below. I mention each product. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more photography tips and camera reviews. Thanks for watching.